So we've got a mixed vegetable crumble here with a tomato sauce. Really quite simple. The most difficult part, I suppose, is getting the vegetables together. Sauce is easy, topping's easy, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's start by looking at our vegetables. Now I'm using these 5 vegetables today. Broccoli, cauliflower, potatoes, carrots and green beans. Now as you can see, you can see from the broccoli especially, just cooked that. Still got a little bit of bite to it. Now you can use any vegetables that you want, and if you were using something like mushrooms or bell peppers, you wouldn't need to cook them. You could just put them in, just cut them up and put them in raw. But yeah, any selection of vegetables is up to you. We're going to get them into an oven-proof dish and give it a little mix. So I'm using glass. You could use ceramic or you could use metal if you want, as long as it can go in the oven. You can see we've put the vegetables in there. Little mix, very simple. Let's move on to the sauce. Okay, so in there I've got about 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. You can use any type of oil that you want. We're going to drop in 1 cup of onion and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. I've got the heat on, just put that on now, and it's on just below medium. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. So beautiful, nice and low there, browning beautifully. Let's look at some spices. We've got a teaspoon each here. Sweet paprika, chili, cumin, coriander and oregano. You can change these spices completely if you want to suit yourself, but I think this is a nice little mix. We're going to get some salt in the mix. We're going to get some black pepper in the mix. And then we're going to add 2 cans of tomatoes. These were a whole plum tomato that I've just roughly chopped or squeezed with my hand. A regular can like that, a 400 ml can is what I mean. So there's 2 of those in there. Stay on this kind of gentle heat. We're now going to go for 7 or 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. A really simple, beautiful sauce for our vegetables. Okay, off goes the heat. That is really, really simple and beautiful. Next up. So the vegetables are ready and the sauce is ready. We're now going to make a very simple crumble topping. At the back, I've got 2 cups of breadcrumbs and 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Now, if you wanted to make this vegan, you can do this without the cheese. 1 cup of sunflower seeds and 1 cup of pumpkin seeds. Again, get some walnuts in here, some hazelnuts, something like that. You can sort of really mix it up how you want, sesame seeds, something like that. And then I've got olive oil and soy sauce. Now the soy that I'm using is a light soy. It's just a bit thinner. The olive oil is a kind of decent quality one. You can use a different oil if you want. And there's about 3 tablespoons of each. Simply, we're going to get that in a bowl and give it a mix. Okay, vegetables ready. On goes our simple tomato sauce. Now what I'm going to do is just give that a little mix, then I'll be back. Okay, just give that a little mix just to spread the sauce around. Now, we're going to put the topping on now. Now, but before you do that, get your oven on. You need a nice hot, preheated oven. Don't put this in a cold oven, and get it on absolutely maximum heat. The highest heat that you can. We're going to take our crumble topping and spread that around. And then it's going to go in the oven, middle shelf, really hot, for about 8 to 10 minutes. I mean, all ovens are different, aren't they? But you can just keep an eye on it. We just kind of want to cook the topping off really and bring it all together. I'll see you then. Okay, there you go, job done. About 10 minutes in my oven, nice and hot. You can see that's kind of got nice and crispy now. Beautiful stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.